If you have ever struggled to hit your goals, let me free you from something right now. It is not your fault. Most of us were never taught how goals actually work. And I say that as someone who has spent the last 4 years staring at the same vision board with only just a couple of things checked off. And for the longest time, I was thinking, okay, well, maybe is it me? Is it discipline, motivation? But then I got around people whose success didn't even make sense to me before. These people were having $100,000 days, and some of them were having $1 million days. And that is when everything flipped. They weren't chasing goals at all. They were building systems that made success the natural byproduct. And once I saw it, I could not unsee it. And I want to tell you guys something that changed me. All right, so there was a man who was the #1 performer in his entire company, breaking every record. And then they asked him, how are you doing this? What is the secret? His answer, I wrote down more than 350 goals and I read them every single day, not to manifest, but to stay emotionally tied to why I'm doing it. Every week he added new goals, crossed off old ones, and he kept the dream alive on paper. And in 1 year, he became one of the highest earners in his entire field. And when they asked what changed, he said, it wasn't talent. It was the energy I felt reading my goals daily. It made me feel unstoppable. This is science. I'm gonna explain in a second. And that's when I realized something. People don't fail because they don't have goals. They fail because they don't have enough reasons to keep going. You know, if you have only 1 or 2 reasons to succeed in life, life will talk you out of them. 10 reasons, you'll push through. 50, you'll get resourceful. 100, you become unstoppable. And this is the part nobody tells you. Your brain doesn't take action from logic. It doesn't move because you want something or because you wrote down a cute goal. Action comes from emotion. Your emotional brain, the part that drives your habits, your cravings, your decisions, they don't understand words, but it understands feelings. So when he read his goals every day, he wasn't just reminding himself of what he wanted, he was firing emotion to the part of the brain that controls behavior. He was creating desire, urgency, excitement, even pressure. And that emotional charge, that's what made him unstoppable, because emotion is what tells your brain, this matters, do something. And that's why writing your goals one time does not change anything. That's why me just looking at my vision board once a year for our Vision Sunday at church doesn't do anything. That's why I haven't been able to cross everything off, because reading it daily is what matters. When you build reasons, you connect them to your future, your brain starts to pay attention. And once your brain cares emotionally, your behavior finally follows. And that's why with this public journey I'm going on, creating an AI agency from scratch to make $5,000 a month in recurring revenue, where AI does 95% of the work, within 6 months, this is the exact process that I'm going to be using to get there. I'm going to show you guys the system in a second. But I need to say this first. You must become the person you want to be before you ever arrive. Like, for example, if you want to become a millionaire, you have to become a millionaire before you ever have $1 million. Stick with me, this is all gonna make sense. Like, picture a millionaire, for example. What habits do you think they have? Who do you think they spend time with? What kind of content do you think they consume? How do they talk to themselves? But more importantly, there are things you need to become. This concept is a concept called be, do, have. It is how every successful person achieves their goals before they physically actually reach them. Be, you first adopt the mindset, the habits, and the beliefs of a millionaire, even if your bank account doesn't reflect it yet. I'm going to show you an example in a second. Now, do, once you step into that mindset, you start taking aligned actions. You invest wisely, you surround yourself with the right people, and you commit to continuous growth. You're doing the thing now. After consistently being and doing, your results start to reflect your identity. The $1 million, the success, and the life you want, it all just follows who you've already become. You don't wait to become a millionaire and then start thinking and acting like one. You start thinking and acting like a millionaire now, and in time, your reality is going to catch up with your mindset. I'm telling you, this is real. Before I ever started a YouTube channel, I already had my YouTube plaque, because I already became the person that would have it. Nothing was going to stop me from working toward this goal. I kept working, I've been adjusting my strategy, and I stayed consistent. They said post one video a week, so I posted one video a week because I already knew that YouTube plaque was mine. It was just a matter of time until I actually got it. And this is the part every broken goal setting system leaves out. This is how the smartest people in the world operate, from athletes to CEOs to people in those $1 million rooms I mentioned. There are 3 parts, and if you do these 3, your life will shift. Part 1, choose the identity you're stepping into. So who do you want to become? For my challenge that I'm giving myself, I want to become an agency owner that makes $5,000 a month in recurring revenue. So what does that person look like? What do they do? I'm going to write statements that shape who I want to become. I'm someone who follows through. I'm someone who takes action. No excuses. I'm someone God can trust with bigger blessings. Identity is not motivational, guys. Identity is structure. Your brain will always try to stay consistent with who you believe you are. So decide who that is and align everything else to it. Part 2, build your reasons that make you unstoppable. Now, this is where the top performer secret comes in. Write out every reason you want what you want. Freedom, time with kids, financial stability. For me, I want a chef so I don't have to cook. I want to continue to have my cleaners come. You determine what you want and you write it down. The more reasons you have, the stronger your desires become. You don't need more discipline. You need more reasons. Your reasons are what carry you when motivation dies, and it will die. Part 3, build your daily system for your worst days. And this is where people will either win big or repeat the same year over and over. Your system should not be designed for your best day. It should be designed for the day that you know is gonna happen. You're gonna be tired, overwhelmed, frustrated, behind, unmotivated. That day determines your future more than your best days ever will. So instead of saying, I'm gonna do a 2-hour workout, just say, I'm gonna do a 10-minute walk. Post daily, maybe 1 great video a week. I'll reach out to 100 people every day. I'll do 1 outreach a day. Ask yourself, what would be impossible to skip? If it isn't repeatable, it isn't a system. If it depends on motivation, it will not survive. This is how the smartest people win. It's not by intensity, it's by rhythm. Identity, reasons, daily steps equals results. That's the formula. And I am living it right now. I'm building this new AI agency using the exact system that I'm teaching you. I hired a coach. We meet weekly. I record everything for my community so they can actually see how I'm doing this and they can do this with me. And I'm making myself accountable. I'm posting it on YouTube, telling them I'm doing this within 6 months. And I'm not doing this alone. My community is over 190 people doing the exact same thing. That's 190 reasons that I can't quit. I got to keep this thing going. You need reasons. But just remember, your goals will not change your life. Your identity will. Your reasons will. Your system will. Success does not come from what you hope for. It comes from what you repeat. Now, if you guys want to see how I help my friend start her AI agency with no experience, no website, no business name, nothing, and now she's making $1,000 every single month from something we just tried to do in 2 hours, it's incredible. You guys can watch that video right here. But if you like this video and you are still here, put in the comment section, do have, and I'll see who actually stayed until the end of my videos. I love doing this to see who actually stays around and watches. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.